Hi allesammans, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Word formation in Norwegian, like in many other languages, primarily occurs through two key processes, compounding and derivation. These processes are central to expanding the vocabulary and providing motivation for existing complex words. Today we will delve into the mechanism and examples of both compounding and derivation in Norwegian, illustrating how new words are crafted and how the language evolves. Compounding is a straightforward yet powerful method of word formation. It involves creating a new word by putting two existing words together. The resulting compound word often conveys a specific meaning that is more precise than the individual words alone. Example: fotballkamp, fotballkamp, fotballkamp. Consider the example of fotballkamp, 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 football match. This word is formed by combining football, 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 and kamp, 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 match. Football, football, football. This is the Norwegian word for football or soccer in American English. It is a direct borrowing from the English language, reflecting the global popularity of the sport. Kamp, kamp, kamp. This means match or game, referring to a competitive event. When these words are combined into fotballkamp, 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 they create a new term that specifically denotes a football match, a common event in Norwegian culture, especially given the sport's popularity in Norway. Football matches are significant social events, drawing communities together in support of the local or national teams. Another example is håndbagasje, 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 hand luggage, which combines hånd, hand, and bagasje, 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 luggage. Hånd. This word means hand, reflecting the part of the body used to carry the item. Bagasje, bagasje, bagasje. This term is derived from French and refers to luggage or baggage. Håndbagasje, håndbagasje, håndbagasje is used to describe the luggage one can carry by hand, typically in the cabin of an airplane. This word is especially useful in travel context and is commonly seen in airport regulations and guidelines. Knowing how to handle your håndbagasje, håndbagasje, håndbagasje is essential for smooth travel experiences, especially given the strict rules about what can be carried onto an aircraft. Consider sykkelstativ, 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 bicycle rack, combining sykkel, bicycle, and stativ, rack. Sykkel. This is the Norwegian word for bicycle, a common mode of transportation in Norway. Stativ. This term means rack or stand, used to hold or support objects. Sykkelstativ refers to a structure where bicycles can be securely parked. This compound word is frequently seen in urban areas where cycling is a popular and environmentally friendly way to commute. The availability of sykkelstativ encourages more people to cycle, contributing to healthier lifestyles and reduced traffic congestion. Another fascinating example is solnedgang, sunset, combining sol, sun, and nedgang, descent. Sol. This word means sun, the star at the center of our solar system. Nedgang, nedgang, nedgang. This means descent or decline. Solnedgang, solnedgang, solnedgang poetically describes the setting of the sun, a daily phenomenon that is often appreciated for its beauty. Watching the solnedgang, solnedgang, solnedgang is a popular activity in Norway, especially in the coastal areas where the horizon offers stunning views. List of common compounded words in Norwegian. Fotballkamp, 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 football match. Fotball, 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 football. Kamp, 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 match. Håndbagasje, 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 hand luggage. Hånd, 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 hand. Bagasje, 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 luggage. Sykkelstativ, 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 bicycle rack. Sykkel, 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 bicycle. Stativ, 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 rack. Solnedgang, 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 sunset. Sol, 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 sun. Nedgang, 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 descent. Barneskole, 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 elementary school. Barn, 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 child. Skole, 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 school. Sykehjem, 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 nursing home. Syke, 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 sick, plural. Hjem, 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 home. Togstasjon, togstasjon, togstasjon. Train station. Tog, 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 train. Stasjon, 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 station. Kjøkkenbord, 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 kitchen table. Kjøkken, 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 kitchen. Bord, 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 table. Værrapport, værrapport, værrapport. Weather report. Vær, 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 weather. Rapport, 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 report. Flyplass, 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 airport. Fly, 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 airplane. Plass, 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 place. Derivation, on the other hand, involves combining a word with an affix, which is a non-word element. Affixes can be prefixes, suffixes, infixes, or circumfixes. They modify the meaning of the grammatical function of the original word, thereby creating a new word. Example, lesbar, lesbar, lesbar. An example of derivation is the word lesbar, 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 readable. This word is formed by combining the verb lese, 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 to read, with the suffix bar, bar, bar. Lese, lese, lese. This verb means to read. It is a fundamental action related to literacy and education. Bar, bar, bar. This suffix is similar to the English able, indicating that something can be done. Thus, lesbar, lesbar, lesbar means something that can be read or is suitable for reading, such as text that is clear and understandable. Clear and lesbar, lesbar, lesbar fonts are crucial in designing educational materials to ensure that all students can easily read and comprehend the information. Another example is hörbar, 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 audible, derived from höra, 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 to hear, and the suffix bar, bar, bar. This höra, 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 this verb means to hear, a basic sensory function. Bar, bar, bar. As mentioned, this suffix denotes the capability of being something. Hörbar, hörbar, hörbar means something that can be heard, such as a sound or a voice that is loud enough to be audible. Ensuring that instructions or announcements are hörbar, hörbar, hörbar is critical in noisy environments such as airports or train stations. Consider forståelig, 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 understandable. Derived from forstå, to understand, and the suffix li. Forstå. This verb means to understand a cognitive process. Eli is suffix similar to able or able in English, indicating the ability to be something. Forståelig means something that can be understood, such as clear instructions or comprehensible speech. Providing forståelig explanations is essential in teaching and customer service to ensure that everyone grasps the intended meaning. Another interesting derivation is lad, learned or scholarly, derived from lære, to learn, and the suffix de. Lære. This verb means to learn a fundamental educational activity. De. This suffix indicates a past particle or a person possessing a quality. Lad refers to someone who is learned or scholarly, possessing deep knowledge in a particular field. Lad, professor, is highly respected for their expertise and contributions to academia. List of common derived words in Norwegian. Lesbar, readable. Lese, to read, plus bar, able. Hørbar, audible. Høre, to hear. Bar, able. Forståelig, understandable. Forstå, to understand. Eli, able. Lad, learned, scholarly. Lære, to learn. The past participle. Vennskap, friendship. Venn, friend. Skap, state or condition. Vakkerhet, beauty. Vakker, beautiful. Het, state or quality. Oppfinnelse, invention. Oppfinne, to invent. Else, the act of. Spiselig, edible. Spise, to eat. Li, able. Lærerik, educational. Lære, to learn. Rik, rich in. Tålmodig, patient. To endure. Modig, possessing the quality of. Compounding and derivation are fundamental processes in the Norwegian language, enabling the creation of new words and the motivation of existing ones. Compounding combines existing words to form new meaningful compounds, while derivation uses affixes to modify and expand the meaning of base words. Together, these processes enrich the language, making it more expressive and dynamic. By understanding these mechanisms, learners and speakers can enhance the grasp of Norwegian vocabulary and its intricate, evolving nature. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the NLS Norwegian Language School on YouTube Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering one free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for one free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.